Hey everybody, this is Derek Harp, the founder and chairman of CSA, and your host today for the CSA Online. This group of gentlemen, if you don't know them, these are amazing folks. Before even their government service that they're still involved with today in different capacities, they represent 64 years of active duty in the Navy and the Air Force. And so as a veteran that did a fraction of the years you guys each did, thank you for your service and your continued commitment to mission, which is, I know where all of you are today, is you got a mission to achieve and you're still trying to achieve it in your ways. So welcome.
And so we did this over 2 days, but this was based after a work that I've been involved with our FVEYS partners. And we've been working on analyzing how each of us do mission assurance, and then how we integrate now cyber into the mission assurance process.
He developed a mission team, and Mike and his SMEs were a key to this. And we basically took the different types of control systems and determined what kind of utility or what kind of entity or command would be responsible for them. And in that fourth column over there on the right, we had names of basically contractors that were going to be role players for this, because we knew that coming in.
All right, so I'm going to go through the tabletop exercise injects that we created. As Lee said, we had created 8 different injects scenarios that the assessment team then would have to conduct their analysis. So we're following the DoD tabletop exercise guidance document, and then we've got that you see here our wheel of access. So we're really trying to stay true to the process of setting up a DoD tabletop exercise.